Oh, Korean barbecue. What's for dinner? Bulgogi. You take that to your next K-pop event. Welcome to another episode of Drunk Apron. Today is Korean barbecue. What are we making? Bulgogi. What is that, Heath? Well, that's Kim Jong Un's favorite dish. I don't know if that's accurate or not. But anyway, what do? We take rice wine vinegar. We have black pepper, white soy sauce, sesame oil, orange juice, Florida represent. We got scallions, garlic, sugar, and flank steak that we've pounded thin and cut really thin. And we're gonna have to marinate that. Got our garlic, we're gonna chop that up. Take some green onions, we're gonna dice those up. We forgot to add some freaking ginger in the mix, so we're gonna just cut that up. Have you guys ever had Korean barbecue before? This is one of my favorite type of cuisines. It's so good because it takes simple ingredients and you just make marinades from them. It's just delicious. This is all we're gonna be using right here. To make the marinade, we're gonna take our ginger that we sliced up. We're gonna take some scallions. We've got our garlic. We've got some black pepper. About like that. That much is good. We're gonna take some sesame oil. Like that much. Some rice wine vinegar. We're going to take some orange juice to add some acidity and some sugar to it. What this is going to do is it's going to break down that meat and make it more tender, and that's what the acidity is for. We're going to add some white sugar. And some soy sauce. Yeah. Mix that all up. Simple. Transferred all of our flank steak over to a nice pan, nice shallow pan, and we're gonna dump the marinade over it. And what we're gonna do is we're just gonna cover this with plastic wrap and at least an hour in the fridge. Obviously, the longer the better, but if you're stressed for time, we're just gonna put it for an hour. Let's go ahead and make ourselves a little sauce for this little bulgogi. We've got some chili paste here. Again, we like spicy things. We've got ourselves some food lube, aka Mayo. I don't think this is used in traditional Korean cooking, but yeah, this is Drunk Apron. We do what we want. We do what tastes good. I'm gonna take some of that Florida's natural orange juice, just about that much, and some soy sauce. And we'll just mix all that together. And there you have it. Simple. Beef's been marinating now for a couple hours, nice and delish. We've got our wok here heating up. That's what we're going for, nice charred on the outside. We're gonna finish up doing this, and I'll save you guys the time. We just cooked our beef. We just plated everything nice and delicious. We've got some Boston bib lettuce here. We've got some sticky rice that I made on the side because I've taught you how to do this before, and if you forgot, shame on you. We have our dipping sauce right here. And what are we going to do now? Basically, how we do this is we take ourselves a nice piece of Boston bib lettuce, nice little satchel for everything to sit in. We're gonna take ourselves some sticky rice. There we go. Give yourself that. This is the Korean taco, I guess you could look at it. Nice amount of rice in there. I'm gonna take some of that bulgogi beef we've made. Go. Okay, tuck that in there. Get it nice and set. Right there. Dip it in your little sauce. and give that a go. How is that, Heath? Delicious. When I'm in this type of setting, I like to listen to some K-pop. You know what I'm talking about. Shout out Korea. We taught you how to make some bulgogi, Korean barbecue, some of my favorite cuisine. Thanks for watching. Slap that thumbs up if you like beef, lettuce, rice, any of those or all of those. Hit that subscribe. Help us out. We'll see you next time. Strong Apron.